These things can be quite expensive. We ain't got to go and do the most this holiday season. Hey gang, hey! Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. If you're new here, my name is Tandy. Today I'm going to be walking you through how I keep my nails looking good all holiday season. You want to know the secret? Press on nails, believe it or not. I just feel like, why spend $40, $60 sometimes on your nails when really you can just go to Walgreens, pick you up some Kiss nails and apply them at home and save tons of money. And these nails go for about $10 at the drugstore. They last me about 7 to 10 days. And if you want to know the secret how I actually get them to last that long, because there's definitely some tips and tricks, then just keep watching this video.
And the first thing that you want to do is grab your 10 favorite fingers and some nail polish remover, a nail file, as well as some cotton balls, and the star of the show, these Kiss Gel Fantasy Nails. I got these from Walgreens for about $10. You definitely want to make sure that you are filing down your nails, because filing down your nails helps your nails to grow. Next, I'm going to take a cotton ball and some nail polish remover and start prepping my nail for the glue. I'm going to be dropping some gems throughout this video, so just make sure that you're paying attention. Some nail care tips, you guys. Don't bite your nails. That's just gross. Always wear a protective layer on your nails like polish or some press-on nails, for example, right? And eat your veggies, fruit, and drink plenty of water, because believe it or not, the saying is actually true. You are what you eat. I'm just gonna dry that off and start by applying my nails. I don't use these little stickers that come in the packet, so we'll just put that back in there and grab our nails and start matching up the correct nail with the correct finger. When I wear my press-on nails, you guys, I usually only wear Kiss nails because they're inexpensive. They just last the longest in my opinion. I glue my real nail first, and then I put just a little bit of glue on the actual false nail. Sometimes it just doesn't really come out the way that it's supposed to. But once you finally do get it going, you can just press it down on the nails, putting some glue on the back of the nail as well. I'm gonna repeat the same steps on each finger, and this is gonna seem kind of redundant, but you guys get the drift. To be honest, you guys, wearing press-on nails, like, these are a lifesaver for me. And if you ever get any kind of like glue, you know, on the outside of the nail, take a little cotton ball and some nail polish remover and clean it up. But yeah, wearing press-on nails has really saved me like a ton of money. I mean, who doesn't want to save money, right? This is what they look like after it is all said and done. But you guys, that's not it. If you're wondering if I'm bullshitting, do these nails really last? Look at this. I can open up a can of soup with these nails. These nails are legit.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and hit the notification button as well. If you guys like this makeup look, make sure that you are following me on Instagram as well, because that's where most of my makeup tutorials are.